What's up, guys? Today I'm doing an unboxing video on the Fuji s10. It's not really an unboxing because I've already unboxed it, but I'm going to show everything that's inside real quick because I want to get out and test this out. You can see it's about the same size as a smaller Fuji camera, but it's got a really nice grip. Even a better grip than the X-T2 with the extension, the vertical grip on there. It's still a little bit deeper than the vertical grip. This thing feels amazing. Just picking it up, the build quality feels great. Feels like a really awesome camera right out of the box. Got some instructions, some extra cardboard, and there should be maybe a battery. I've got an extra X-T2 battery you can put in there. It uses the same old battery as a lot of the older Fuji cameras, so let's see what they got. Yeah, we got the one with the dot. That's the better version. And we got a charge. Oh, it's not even really a charger. It's just a strap and some cables. A cable to use a headphones in the USB port, and then just like a USB charger. I already have a charger for Fuji, so that's alright. But yeah, I'm going to pop in. I've already got one of the exact same batteries charged, so I'm going to pop that in, test it out. Really excited to test out the IBIS. I'm going to be making, it's like police sirens outside. I'll be making some videos about every single part of this camera, talking about it, reviewing it, comparing it to some other cameras, so stay tuned for that. I feel like this is going to right away become my most favorite camera to use of all time, especially for video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a filmmaker, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.